We're going to review the top 5 best snuffle mat for dog, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. PAW5 Woolly Snuffle Mat. Introducing the Woolly, PAW5's beautiful snuffle rug for dogs. Designed in particular for dog owners who want to retain some semblance of refinement in their interior design, the combination of sustainable, upcycled felt is colored dark gray so it almost looks like an extra rug rather than yet another dog toy strewn over the floor. Whether you own a Chihuahua or a Great Dane, any breed would be delighted to have a woolly snuffle mat in their life. As the woolly snuffle mat encourages natural foraging and natural instincts in your pet. Number 2. AWOOF Pet Snuffle Mat. Featuring as our best choice of dog activity mat in this buying guide, AWOOF's Pet Snuffle Mat is as brilliant as it is beautiful. Composed of bright green felt cloth to resemble blades of grass, this digging mat for dogs can function as either a bowl or an olfactory pad. If you ever happen to be going on holiday, not to worry, you won't have to leave behind your dog's favorite dog mat this time around. Thanks to the shrinking abilities of this mat, it can be compressed into a small storage bag, also making it simple to hang from a door. Number 3. Snuffle Mat for Dogs. Struggling to stop your dog from practically inhaling their food? Filled with plenty of nooks and crannies in which to hide treats, Stellair's Snuffle Mat puts your dog's sense of smell to the test. Stellair's product boasts a non-slip surface so your dogs don't become irritated trying to find their treats. Plus, the rug can be flung in the wash whenever it starts to stink of food. The polar fleece and upcycled materials that it's made from hold together well in the wash, and their quality prevents your beloved pet's face from becoming red from nose and face friction. Number 4. Sniffers Smelly Matty Snuffle Mat for Dogs. Amongst the most popular snuffle mats on the market, Sniffers is by far the most aesthetically delightful. It's even a pleasure to look upon this red poppy design, the splendor of which is enhanced by its contrasting grassy green backdrop. The lustrous fabric that it's made from is Oxford fleece, a soft material that won't cause your dog to develop friction burns when scouring their mat for treats. Yet the true irresistibility of this design comes down to the ability to adjust the difficulty level of your dog's snuffle mat to match their experience with puzzle toys. Number 5. AWOOF Dog Feeding Mat. AWOOF are back again, and this time, featuring their distinctive big orange flower design. Boasting 4 layers of soft orange petals perfect for hiding your dog's kibble in, the impressive variety of hiding spots are why this feeding mat ranks among the best mats on the market. For puppies who are still developing their motor skills, the O-shaped tunnel pockets and among the flower petals are the best places to hide treats, whereas the triangular and X-shaped hiding spots will challenge active, grown dogs' minds.